You ever feel like you're doing everything right and still getting nowhere? You show up, you stay late, you push past doubt, but nothing clicks. It's quiet, no reward, no breakthrough, just another day of trying, and you start to wonder, what's the point? Maybe this dream isn't meant for you. But here's what most people don't know. The moment you feel most defeated is often the moment right before it works, right before momentum shows up. And sadly, that's when most people walk away. See, success doesn't always send a signal. It doesn't announce when it's coming. It builds slowly beneath the surface while you're sweating in silence. And because you can't see it, you assume it's not happening. That's the trap. People quit because they can't feel the progress, even when it's real. They were never far off. They were just tired, burned out of rhythm, not out of talent, not out of potential, just out of structure. The truth is, we're raised in a world obsessed with speed, fast money, instant feedback, one click wins. And that messes with your mind because the real game, the one that actually works, is slow, quiet, repetitive. And the people who survive it, they don't rely on motivation. Motivation dies. They rely on systems, routines, tools that help them stay consistent when their emotions don't cooperate. That's where AI becomes more than tech. It becomes a support system, a quiet partner that keeps your habits alive, your time protected, your goals visible. Not flashy, just stable. And when everything else feels unstable, that's what keeps you going, just long enough to finally break through. Why we quit too soon? People don't quit because they're weak. They quit because they're tired, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. The early rush of excitement fades. The dream still matters, but every step starts to feel heavier. You begin to question your effort. Are you actually getting anywhere? Is it worth continuing? That's the silent battle no one sees. The dangerous part is that this breaking point usually arrives right before a shift, right before results start to show. But people walk away thinking they've failed, when in reality, they were finally nearing momentum. And in a world that celebrates speed and ignores the grind, quitting feels reasonable. It feels like relief, but it's almost always premature. We live in an age where people showcase results, but rarely the repetition behind them. Social media teaches us to expect transformation without toil, that one viral moment, one lucky break, one magic hack will fix everything. But transformation doesn't arrive that way. It's not loud, it's not dramatic, it's quiet. You wake up, do the work, and go to bed without applause for weeks, sometimes months. And when you don't have a structure holding you to that path, you lose your grip. You burn out, not because you're lazy, but because you're moving without a frame. That's why motivation fades so fast. It was never meant to carry you, it was meant to start the engine. What carries you is structure, the power of tools. This is where AI tools change the game, not because they make the work easier, but because they make the work clearer. Think of something like Notion. It's just a workspace. But when you turn it into your home base for goals, habits, and reflections, it becomes a personal compass. Or take ChatGPT, not as a distraction, but as a way to simplify decisions, outline your day, or unblock your thinking. These aren't hacks, they're companions. They remove friction, they help you track motion, even on days when progress feels invisible. And when you track, you continue. That's the secret most people miss. Consistent tracking keeps you emotionally tethered to your goal. Maya had always wanted to launch a digital course. She read the books, made the outlines, even posted on social media once or twice. But after every energetic Monday came a silent Thursday. She started believing she wasn't cut out for it. Then she did something small. She opened Notion and created a board with 3 columns: plan, do, and done. Every night, she moved one sticky note forward. No pressure, no big goals, just forward movement. After 6 weeks, her course was live. No one clapped, no one went viral, but she finally crossed a line she couldn't touch for years. All because the tool gave her something motivation couldn't: rhythm. The goal is not a perfect schedule. The goal is reliable action. AI tools help you return to your path without needing to feel inspired. Reclaim can block off creative time automatically. Notion can house your weekly reflections. ChatGPT can clarify your next step when your head is foggy. These tools don't replace effort, they protect it. They give your process a place to live, grow, and re-enter even after setbacks. Without them, you start from scratch every time you fall. With them, you pick up where you left off. That's how progress becomes predictable. So if you're here right now, frustrated, uncertain, thinking about quitting, pause. Don't walk away just yet. Try one small system, one board, one tool. Give yourself a rhythm, not a rescue. You don't need to go viral. You just need to move forward. And if you need a hand, I've got you. I'm here every week, sharing how to stay in it, not with hype, but with habits. You don't have to grind alone anymore. Let's figure it out together. The turning point. The most dangerous moment isn't when you're failing. It's when you feel like you're standing still. That moment convinces you to stop. But stillness is often the final quiet before a spike in growth. And those who stick it out, who build structure around their goals, find that success didn't require a genius idea or a breakthrough tool. It just required a way to keep going. Tools like Notion, ChatGPT, and Reclaim aren't about productivity. They're about rescue. They save the vision from the fog of doubt. And in doing that, they give you a path through the exact moment most people give up. Why systems matter? Motivation is emotional. Systems are structural. That's the difference. Motivation fades, especially when results are delayed. But systems hold you steady. Most people who quit weren't lacking talent or effort. They were simply trying to carry everything in their head. When you're depending only on willpower, every small obstacle becomes a reason to stop. But when there's a system, a visible, repeatable process, the pressure shifts. You don't have to think, you follow. That's what makes structure powerful. It reduces your cognitive load so you can survive the dry days, the distracted weeks, and the moments when everything feels pointless. A system doesn't mean a complicated setup. It means clarity. It means knowing what to do next without overthinking. Start with a digital space that holds your goals and daily actions. Notion is perfect for this. Set up one board or page where your most important task lives. Add a journal where you reflect once a week. Reclaim can block your calendar automatically so your priorities don't get swallowed by other people's agendas. And when you feel overwhelmed or unclear, use ChatGPT to organize your thoughts or outline your next step. The beauty of this system is that it's forgiving. It lets you fall and return. That return is what keeps the dream alive. Maya's success didn't come from grid alone. It came from rhythm. Once her small setup was in place, a single Notion board and a 20-minute morning block on Reclaim, Her results started compounding. She stopped restarting every week. She stopped overthinking. When a bad day came, she just followed her board. And when she needed help structuring her ideas, she asked ChatGPT for guidance. None of this was dramatic, but it was consistent, and consistency beats brilliance over time. That's the truth most people never hear. The ones who win aren't always the most inspired, they're just the ones who stayed in motion. Systems do one thing better than any other method. They keep you in the game. They remove the emotional drama. They give you a map back to progress. Most people quit when they're only a few actions away from seeing change. But when there's a system, you don't quit. You pause, recover, and resume. That's not just discipline, that's design, and it's the real key to making it. You're closer than you think. Progress isn't always loud. Sometimes it's just showing up one more day. Don't quit right before the shift. Start small. Build one system. Stay consistent, even when it's quiet. That's how breakthroughs happen. And if you ever feel stuck, know this: you're not alone. I'm here every week, building this journey out loud, sharing tools, systems, and truths to keep you moving. Let's grow together. One step, one block, one win at a time.